Nubia has announced it will unveil the Z70 Ultra on November 21st in China. This is the fast-look Nubian Z70 Ultra and unboxing video. Nubian Z70 Ultra come in 3 color matching, Black Seal, Shampa, Starry Sky Collection version. The brand also gave us our first official look at the Z70 Ultra's front, showing its thin bezels. Nubia said the Z70 Ultra will pack a 6.85-inch 1.5K display with a screen-to-body ratio of 95.3%. The panel will have a 144Hz screen refresh rate, 2000 nits peak brightness, the selfie camera since it will feature an under-display camera. Digital Chat Station is back with another leak first look at Nubia Z70 Ultra 50MP 35mm large bottom variable aperture camera. It is also said the 6-blade adjustment is quite smooth, and a 64MP 3.2x periscope telephoto lens. With its under-panel selfie camera, the Z70 Ultra will be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset with 24GB RAM and 512GB storage. And last month's an image of a smartphone in a protective case recently surfaced on Weibo. Weibo tipster Digital Chat Station now claims that the phone in question is actually the Nubia Z70 Ultra, citing its design elements. Apart from the buttons, now Nubia Z70 listed IMEI database. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.